Hi everybody. This session deals with Samba server on Linux. Samba server is basically used for connecting the Linux operating system to the Windows operating system. Being in Linux, it is mainly used to share resources efficiently in the LAN, such as printers, scanners, etc. This is a brief introduction on Samba server. Now we will have a look in detail. Let us know what is Samba. Samba is an open source suite that provides seamless file and print services to SMB and CIFS clients. Samba is freely available. With Samba, you can share a Linux file system with Windows 95, 98, 2000 and NT. You can also share printers connected to either Linux or a system with Windows 95, 98, 2000 or NT. Samba enables a Linux or Unix server to function as a file server for client PCs running Windows software. Let us have a look on SMB. SMB stands for Server Message Block. It is a protocol by which a lot of PC related machines share files and printers and other information such as lists of available files and printers. Operating systems that support this natively include Windows NT, OS by 2 and Linux. What is CIFS? CIFS stands for Common Internet File System and it is a protocol that is basically an updated SMB. Let us have a look on components of SMB. In components of SMB, we can find many daemon processes as well as configuration files. A daemon process is a process which is always running in the background of an operating system. SMBD daemon. This provides the file and print services to SMB clients such as Windows NT or other Linux or Unix clients. smb.conf. This is the configuration file for SMBD. NMBD daemon. This daemon provides NetBIOS, name serving and browsing support. SMB client. This is an SMB client program that implements a simple FTP like program on a Linux or Unix box. SMB mount. This mounting program enables mounting of server directories on a Linux or Unix box. Test parameter. This utility is used to test the smb.conf configuration file. SMB status. This programs list the current Samba connections. SMB password. This allows the user to change the password used for their SMB sessions. Let us have a look on Samba server installation and setup. The Samba server package can be downloaded from the Samba website. The file needs to be unteared and then configured using a configure command in the source directory. Then the smb.conf file should be created. The smb.conf file has 3 separate sessions. Global. This session provides parameters for the entire SMB server. It also provides default values for the other sessions. For example, workgroup should be equal to FSCPM group and server string should be equal to Samba server. Hosts allowed are the addresses of the host. Printcap name should be equal to /etc/printcap. Load printer should be equal to yes. Guest account should be equal to PC guest. Encrypted password should be equal to yes. SMB password file should be equal to /etc/samba/smb password. Homes. This section allows network clients to connect to a user's home directory without having an explicit entry in the smb.conf file. For example, the following settings are required. Browsable should be equal to no, writable should be equal to yes. Printers. This section is used to specify which printers are available. For example, printer OK should be equal to yes, printer name equal to LP mine and path equal to /home/everyone. The test parameter program helps in testing the smb.conf file once it is configured. Shared definitions. To share folders to all or some users with read permissions, do the following modifications. Comment equal to share folders to users, path equal to /home, public equal to yes, read only equal to yes, write list equal to @EEE, CSE, ECE and staff. These are the permissions given to these groups. After all these modifications, you save and exit from editor and start the Samba service from command prompt. That is service smb start. Testing with a Linux client, the following is required. And for testing with a Windows client, go to the start menu and run the IP address of Samba server, that is 192.168.1.1. If you have any queries, please post your queries to www.cgg.gov.in by workshop by forums. Thank you.